So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my Bantu knot out. For this style, the products that I use include the avocado flambe moisturizer that I showed in my last video, and I'll link that in the description box, and then the moisture butter from Camille Rose Naturals, and a hair oil that I made at home, and I'll be making a video of that soon. So first I started out by sectioning my hair, and I knew that I'll probably be wearing my hair in these knots for like 1 or 2 days, so I wanted to make sure that my parts looked pretty straight. Any other day I really wouldn't care what the parts looked like, but for this time I did want to make sure I had straight parts. So I started out by applying the moisturizer to my hair, and I applied enough so that each strand was well coated, but I made sure to not apply too much because I didn't want my hair to take forever to dry. I then detangled it using my tangle teaser for thick and curly hair, and then I followed that up by using my homemade hair oil. After using the hair oil, I then added the moisture butter from Camille Rose Naturals, and I find that applying this product last helps to seal in the moisturizer and the hair oil, and also helps the style to come out nice and sleek. I then began to twist my hair, and then I twisted it around itself to form the knot. And I'll do this a couple of times so you can see. Also, I want to point out that as I'm twisting my hair around itself, I tend to twist the knot that's already formed in the opposite direction, just to make sure that it's not too tight on my scalp, because if you twist it too tight, then it can cause some breakage. These are like horns. So like I said, I'm just going to continue this process for the rest of my hair, and I'm going to speed up the video some just so it doesn't take forever. So now that my hair is all knotted up, I wrapped it up in a satin scarf before I went to bed to make sure that my hair was protected. The next day, I took my scarf off and I added some of that oil into my hands just to make sure that as I took the Bantu knots down, they didn't become frizzy. The best way to take out Bantu knots is to twist the knot in the opposite direction from what it's in, and doing that to every knot before separating the sections. So once each knot is taken down, I separate the sections by twisting it in the opposite direction so that way it can be separated easier. But once I pull out like the single strands from that section, I'm sure to twist it back into the direction in which the knot was in, if that makes any sense at all. And I'll do that a couple times so you can see. Because this style made my hair look really short and I don't like the way that it looks when it looks short, I went ahead and pinned up one side just to give it some type of cute style. And that's pretty much it. So I hope what I said has made sense. I hope the video was easy to follow. If not, please let me know and give me suggestions on how to improve. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you do subscribe to my channel. See you later.